I'm going to show you how to build a market structure indicator using RealTest, step by step. By the end, you'll be able to automatically detect valid swing highs and lows and identify breakout points, just like Minervini does in his famous VCP setups. You'll finally have a clean, objective way to define if the market is trending up or down. Let's start by defining our core concept. A swing low is a bar with at least 3 higher lows on both sides. A swing high is the opposite, a peak with 3 lower highs to the left and right. In RealTest, we don't look ahead, so we need a slight delay to confirm swing points after the fact. Here's how. Use since true of swing low to spot when a swing low is confirmed, then shift back 3 bars to anchor the actual swing low. Same for swing highs. You now have clean, programmatically defined pivot points. These are your market structure anchors. Next, let's build trend logic. If the close breaks above the last swing high, it's an uptrend. If the close drops below the last swing low, it's a downtrend. You can implement this in RealTest with simple if and else conditions. It's a rules-based way to model structure. No subjectivity, no guessing. If you want longer swings, just tweak this. Use 3 bars for faster signals, 5 bars for smoother structure. You can also define market structure using longer-term swing points. Same concept, just a wider lens. Larger swing windows filter out the noise and focus on major pivots, giving you a more structural, high time frame view of trend. If you're lazy, the full RealTest script is in the description, free to download, ready to run. And if you want academically backed strategies that are already tested and RealTest ready, they're linked below too. Fully documented, bias-free, and built for real-world execution. We do the research, testing, and debugging for you, saving you thousands of hours so you can simply download, run, and focus on what matters. Enjoy your day.